Did you guys know that you can get free settlement services like finding job, finding a place to live, and language training and assessment and so on? Hi everyone, my name is Shivani and I'm a licensed immigration consultant based in Ontario, Canada. I'm also the founder of Zeste Immigration Services Incorporation. Today in this video, we'll be talking about the free settlement services that newcomers get in Canada. Now, did you guys know that Canadian government offers many free settlement services to newcomers and immigrants? Friendly and experienced settlement professionals can help you look for a job, get language assessment, register for language classes, find a place to live, sign up for your kids' school, and learn about community services and much more. So I hope you're able to see this on your screen. This is the government's website. Here you'll be able to find all the services, all the free settlement services in your locality. Now, if you're outside Canada, you may be able to get the pre-arrival services as well in your home country before you actually arrive in Canada. Living in Quebec, well, in that case, you can find information about your local services from the Quebec Ministry in charge of immigration. So here it is. I hope you're able to see this on your screen. Here it is. This is how you can find the services in your locality and the type of services that you need. So I'll link this down in the description box so that way it's going to be easy for you to find it. Now let's talk about what kind of settlement services are there in Canada. So what are these free settlement services? So let's talk about it. All three levels of government in Canada, federal, provincial, and municipal, participate in settlement services for newcomers. A key part of Canada's success in integrating new permanent residents, PRs, and some temporary residents into the country. Newcomers to Canada can benefit from a range of settlement services that are free and run at these three levels. These services cover everything from needs assessments, information, orientation services, language training, employment help, community connection services, and much more. So here's how you can find it. Like I said, I'll link this down for you to actually find it, but I hope you're able to see this on my screen here. These are the organizations that offer this free settlement services, and as you can see it on your right side over here that the service is offered. So every single organization may provide variety of services. They may provide all, they may provide some of them. Some are just specific to employment, some are just specific to finding a place to live, homeschooling, language training, and all that. So on the very right side, you will be able to see all this information here. So see this service, for example, this agency over here helps with daily life. So helping you learning about the community settlement and all that, helping you find a job, Francophone service providers if you speak French. They'll also be able to help you in that case. Job-specific language training, other services for women, services for seniors, services for youth, and much more. Now, I would also like to talk about pre-arrival services. So did you know that Canadian government also offers pre-arrival services? Well, you and your family can get free in-person and online services to help prepare and adjust to life in Canada. The government of Canada calls this as pre-arrival services. So pre-arrival services can help you to prepare for your move to Canada, get your education, work experience, and credentials recognized in Canada, connect with employers to find a job in Canada, and connect with free services after you arrive in Canada. Now you can access all the services that IRCC funds actually for free. It's absolutely free for you guys because IRCC funds it. Now let's check the eligibility requirements for this. Now you can get free in-person or online services if IRCC approved your permanent residence application and you're currently outside Canada. And you have one of these documents, which is a letter from IRCC saying that you can get pre-arrival services, a confirmation of PR letter, a passport request letter that indicates PR resident or permanent resident visa issuance, a letter from IRCC asking you for medical exam results, a single entry permanent resident visa, a letter from IRCC letting you know that you can pick up your permanent resident visa. Okay, at least one of these documents are required. Now, you cannot get pre-arrival services if you're coming to Canada for a short time. So, for example, if you're a temporary resident, like if you are a visitor, you are on study permit, work permit, or if you have any other temporary resident visa, well, in that case, you're not eligible for this kind of pre-arrival services. Now let's talk about who's eligible for the essential settlement services in Canada. So settlement services can have varying eligibility criteria depending on who's funding the service. For example, newcomer services funded by IRCC are only available to permanent residents, refugees, protected persons, and some temporary residents. Here's a list of eligible clients. I hope you're able to see this on your screen right now. So I really hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon right there so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. I make videos on immigration programs and all latest updates and everything. So if you're planning to move to Canada, this is the channel that you should be subscribed to. So please do not forget to do that. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every single time. All right. And if you wish to talk about your Canadian immigration case or your immigration options, feel free to contact us at www.zestcanada.ca or simply click the link given in the description box and book an appointment with me from there. Thank you for your time today. See you next time. Bye.